So this is another chill out session with a new star, and that new star is Vivek. So now you can say hello to everyone.
Hello everyone.
So is this your favorite place जहाँ पे हम आके अभी बैठे हैं विवेक?
This is one of my favorite places
Yeah.
in Mumbai.
Mumbai?
Yeah, so my gym is right up here, and this place is called Sirocco. So normally post my workout, I normally come here.
Aditi is saying love, love.
Aditi, love back to you. A lot of love.
Okay, boss. हाँ तो
Wow, that's so sweet, man. All
this-
these messages are live right now, yeah.
My
Tiara
God.
Malik says, please take my name and big congrats for your wedding day. Thank you very much, Tiara.
Also tell me, like दिव्यांका को आपको कैसा look आपका पसंद है? Like थोड़ा rustic look या clean shaven कैसा look?
You know what? When we first met, she used to say that I dress up like an old man. I did not have any youth. My clothes are not youth centering.
Okay.
So I used to wear very plain basics, like the way I'm wearing right now.
Right,
So if she saw me right now, she would comment. She's like, "What is this you're wearing?" So she likes me to be dressed up a little, you know, I don't know, like jazzy or.
Any fan encounter? That's what Sudeep has to ask you.
I got a message from a fan saying that I had actually killed someone in the show, and apparently that character was the most loved character in the show, and so I got a threat from that fan saying
You got a threat actually.
a threat saying that I am in Thakur village, and what that person who you killed was my favorite character. You shouldn't have done that, and I'm not going to spare you. You come outside Thakur village, and I'm going to come with a gang of boys and get you beaten up.
So then what you did?
I went to Thakur college and I beat the shit out of those guys. No, I didn't.
ये है मोहब्बतें is going to take 8 years leave. Is that true?
I believe so. Yeah, I believe so.
Okay.
It is going to take a leap.
दिव्यांका के लिए what special thing you have done? Like कभी date पर you guys must have gone.
I think the most, according to her, the most romantic thing that I've done for her is when I proposed to her in front of her parents with a ring on her birthday. She was not expecting that because I just ran out of ideas what to gift someone that has achieved so much in life. So I thought maybe a long-term commitment would be nice. So yeah.
Okay, and also 3 things before your marriage you want to do. ये भी पूछा था सवाल.
Go for a bachelor's party.
Have you planned yet?
I haven't planned it yet,
No?
but I want to do that.
So suddenly not in India. You must have planned somewhere else, maybe abroad या कहीं. Or
Possibly
India
in
में?
London.
In London.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because most of my friends are still living there, so it'd be cool to just reunite with them and see. When I came back from London, I never said a goodbye official. You know.
Okay.
So मेरा वो bye अभी pending है.
Pending है,
So I want to
okay.
go there and have a good time, live my student days for a week, 10 days, say goodbye to London, and then come back.
Then come back. Okay, and then somebody also asked that what are your plans, where you want to actually go after marriage?
Oh, that we haven't discussed. There's a lot of options. There's Bora Bora Islands, then there's Caribbean, then there is what else is there? Iceland, Blue Lagoon. Blue Lagoon is a very good
Okay.
option that is standing out. Istanbul.
And what you have to say all the fans actually जो इस तरह से stars के लिए या फिर आपके लिए ऐसे पागल रहते हैं, so उनको कुछ आप कहना चाहोगे, like anything which you would like to tell them as an actor?
I would just like to say that firstly I'd like to. This the whole session, the whole idea behind doing all of this is to thank, to demonstrate, to show my gratitude towards all of you and the love and support that you guys are showering. उसके अलावा I like to thank for all the edits that you guys make, whether it's for me, whether it's for me and her, Divyanka. And thirdly, I'd just like to say that you should just go and do what you feel like doing. Just follow your dreams. For the longest time, I did not pursue acting, entertainment. I kept holding myself back, thinking it's too risky. पता नहीं clarity नहीं है, but things have worked in my favor. So when you are, I really believe in attraction, law of attraction. So when you really want something truly badly, then the universe does support you.
ओके, आपकी फेवरेट डिश जो दी ने बनाया है? दीक्षा इज आस्किंग।
उन्होंने ना एक बारी रोज, she made a pickle out of roses.
Roses, I'm hearing this for the first time.
Yeah, I think that was her own discovery, and I loved that.
Yeah?
I loved it. Yeah, it was too good.
I think you should request her
It was not even a pickle. I don't know what you call. Maybe like a murabba,
Okay.
gulab ka murabba. If anything like that exists, I don't know. But
But
I had it for the first time.
okay.
Thank you,
How you are liking Divyanka's new look?
Oh yeah, I've been asked this before, and I've said one thing that on the first day I was not sure, but the subsequent days I started liking it. It started growing on me, and I think she's looking adorable, really cute.
Yeah. So here's Vivek's drink.
So
What's
guys,
that? What's that?
this is coconut water with
coconut water, lemon, mint.
coconut water, lemon, mint, and ginger. So this is a cooler for me. This is I regularly have this at least 3 times a week.
Okay. और क्या you're planning to come into films as well?
No
No?
films for me. I am quite happy doing TV for now.
Okay.
जब आएगा तब देखेंगे, but I'm content with TV.
Describe your and Divyanka relation in one word.
Splendid.
What was your experience when you made food for the first time?
Oh horrendous. Oh my god. कि मैं यहाँ से जब UK गया था, कार्डिफ यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ने गया था, और मुझे जो फ्लैट दिया गया था, that was just me, one guy with 7 girls in one flat. So and
One guy
and 7 girls.
7 girls.
And all British girls. Okay. So क्या हुआ कि मुझे मेरी मॉम ने वीडियोस बना के मेरे मोबाइल पे वीडियोस बना के सेव की थी हर एक की रेसिपी. So my mummy thought that I will not get anything in London or Cardiff. So she packed a cooker with me also in the suitcase. Time I decided to cook. After like 2 weeks, I decided, okay, आज कुछ खाना बनाते हैं. So I put all the ingredients in the cooker, और obviously it started whistling. And all the girls were sitting in the living hall. They were just inquisitive. What is that? So for them, it was like something alien. That cooker. So they're like, what is that? I said, yeah, we call it a cooker. The moment it whistled and the smoke came out, and all of these girls, they thought that it's gonna burst, and something bad has happened, and the smoke alarm went off, and all of them just rushed to their rooms and भाग के चिल्ला के, और मैं सबको I went to their rooms separately कि यार please वापस आ जाओ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, this is meant to be this way.
It was lovely talking to you.
Bye bye, love you all.